नमस्कार मित्रांनो, हांव टिमरे उलयतां. गुड मॉर्निंग. Today is the Teachers' Day. On 5th September, we celebrate a Teachers' Day. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. This day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and the second President of India. I studied in Agdil High School, Porvorim. Still, I remember my teachers, my principal, especially our PT sir, Patil sir. Teachers are like our parents in school. They teach us many things. They help us learn and grow. They work hard to make us successful in life. They guide us and show us the right path. Teachers are the backbone of our society. So I always respect teachers. अजूनय म्हाका उगडास येता टिचरींचो. केन्नाय ती म्हाका मेळटा, खंय मेळ्ळी जाल्यार हांव तांकां मातसोगत रावन तांकां विश करता, तांकां विचारता. हो रिस्पेक्ट आसा म्हाज्या मनान. आयज कितें घडलां तें टिचरी खातीर. घरान आमचे पेरंट्स आसता. आतां आमकां सांबाळपाक भायरचें लायफ, स्कुलांचें लायफ कितें आसता तें रियली शिकयता ते टिचर्स. टिचर्स आर द बॅकबोन ऑफ आवर सोसायटी. सो हॅपी टिचर्स डे. थँक यू.